AngelVPN Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are included in the description below. In this video, I'll provide an in-depth review of AngelVPN, highlighting its features, performance, security measures, and who it's best suited for, so you can decide if it's the right VPN for your needs. AngelVPN is a privacy-focused service designed for users who prioritize anonymity, security, and unrestricted internet access. One of its standout features is its no-logs policy, ensuring that your online activity isn't stored or tracked. During my tests, AngelVPN successfully bypassed geo-restrictions on popular streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer, making it a reliable option for streaming enthusiasts. The VPN offers a robust network of servers spanning multiple countries, allowing users to connect to a location of their choice for faster speeds and reduced latency. The connection was stable during my usage, and speeds were sufficient for streaming in HD, gaming, and downloading large files without interruptions. Security is another key strength of AngelVPN. It employs AES 256 encryption, one of the most secure standards available, paired with support for multiple protocols, including OpenVPN and WireGuard. These features ensure a safe connection, even on public Wi-Fi networks. AngelVPN also includes a kill switch to prevent data leaks if the connection drops, along with DNS and IPv6 leak protection. The interface is straightforward, designed for both beginners and advanced users. Setting up the VPN is simple, and it's compatible with Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and even routers. For those needing more control, advanced settings like split tunneling and customizable protocols are available. AngelVPN is priced competitively, with flexible subscription plans and discounts for long-term commitments. There's also a money-back guarantee, allowing users to try the service risk-free. Customer support is responsive, offering 24/7 live chat assistance for quick resolutions. In conclusion, AngelVPN is a great choice for users seeking a secure, reliable, and affordable VPN for streaming, browsing, and enhanced online privacy. It's ideal for travelers, remote workers, and anyone looking to bypass censorship or access restricted content. Check out the links in the description to learn more or try it for yourself.